Hello, guys. Welcome all of you today's podcast of English Conversation Book. And today's first topic is overseas telephone conversation. So let's start. Rajesh, hello. Is this 04071234456 India? Father, yes. Is that you, Razu? Rajesh, yes, Papa. How are you? Father, I am okay, son. Tell me about yourself. Rajesh, I am having a good time, Papa. My computer course is excellent, but they make us work very hard. I hardly get a couple of hours of sleep every day. Father, that is too bad. You must take care of yourself. Rajesh, don't worry, Papa. Everyone works hard here. Father, your mother is eagerly waiting beside me. Would you like to speak to her now? Rajesh, let me talk to you for some more time. How do you spend your time now that you have retired? Father, oh, I just relax and do some work around the house. Rajesh, have you taken up painting again? Father, Father, oh yes, I have done a few. I must tell you about one that has come out very well. It depicts a scene from the Gita. Rajesh, I would love to see that one. Please don't give it to anyone before I come back. Father, no, I shall keep it as a special gift for you. Now you must speak to your mother. Rajesh, hello, mummy, how are you? Mother, I am fine. Tell me how you are. Are you eating properly? Take care of yourself. Rajesh, oh, yes, mummy. I love the food here and I am in perfect health, but I miss your cooking. Mother, I constantly worry about you. Don't overwork and don't neglect yourself. Rajesh, I'll do exactly as you say. And when I am back, you can pamper me again. Mother, how you children love to laugh at me. Your cousin Mohan is going to meet you in California next week. I shall send some of your favorite pickles with him. Rajesh, terrific. I look forward to it, but don't take too so much trouble every time someone comes here. They might feel irritated having to carry things. Mother, Mohan is not like that. He himself offered to take the pickles for you. Rajesh, is Anita at home? Mother, I'll just call her. Anita, your brother is on the line. Come quickly. Anita, hi. How are you getting along at the other end of the world? Rajesh, quite badly because I don't have you and little Sunil to tease. Anita, how mean of you to say that. Can't you be polite even at a distance of thousands of kilometers? Rajesh, I'm not spending so much money to be polite to you, Granny. Anita, don't waste money in ideal talk. Tell us instead how you are doing at your exams. Rajesh, I have just finished a paper and got 90% wonderful, isn't it? Anita, congratulations. That is like my brother. Wish you were here so that we could all celebrate the occasion. Rajesh, we will wait till I come back. Now I am celebrating with my friends here. Anita, how I envy you. Sunil is almost pulling off the receiver. By then, call us again soon. Rajesh, sure, as often I can afford to. Sunil, now you'd better speak to me for a long time. You have spoken enough to the others. Rajesh, okay, okay, little brother, don't get angry. I shall speak to you for hours. Sunil, no, 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 don't do that. Instead, save all the money and get good present for me when you come back. Rajesh, tell me what you want. Sunil, the list is unending. I shall write to you in detail. Rajesh, greedy as usual. Tell me about your school. Are you doing well? Sunil, oh, yes, just superbly. Our, our team won a quiz competition. I have also been selected for the cricket team. Rajesh, and what about your studies? Sunil, well, exams are next month, so there is plenty of time to begin studying. Rajesh, don't waste your time. See that you come first. Sunil, it's so boring to study. Rajesh, but I insist. Sunil, fine. I'll do my best for your sake. Rajesh, that's like a good boy. Good night then. Give me love to everyone. Sunil, good night. So, this is a scene of conversation of a son, brother from overseas to his family. Now, let's move to the next topic. And the next topic is at the bank. Security. May I help you, madam? Customer. I would like to meet the manager. Security. Please climb the stairs and turn right. The second door on the right leads to the manager's cabin. Customer. Thank you. Customer. May I come in? Manager. Please do and take a seat. What can I do for you? Customer. I am Gayatri. I would like to open an account in your bank. I have recently started a small scale industry in your locality. Manager. You are welcome to open an account in our branch. Let me introduce you to one of our clerks, Mr. Rao, who is in charge of new accounts. Customer. That will be fine. Manager. Mr. Rao, could you come here for a moment, please? Rao. Yes, sir. Manager. This is Mr. Gayatri who would like to open an account in our bank. Please help her. Rao. Will you come with me, please, madam? First, you will have to fill in this form and affix two of your recent passport size colored photograph on it. Customer. Oh, I didn't know about the photographs, but I must open the account today. Rao. Don't worry, madam. There is a studio right across the road. You can take a Polaroid photograph. They will give you copies in a minute. Customer. Thank you very much. I shall be back soon. Customer. Mr. Rao, here are the two photographs. May I fill in the forms now? Rao. You also need the attestation of one of our existing customers to introduce you. Customer. But that is impossible. I am new to this place. Who will introduce me? Rao. Madam, we have to keep to the rules of the bank. Perhaps you know someone who has an account here. Please try to recollect. Customer. Let me think. Yeah, yes. My neighbor mentioned that he has an account here. Rao. That's good. All you have to do is to get his signature on the form. Customer, but he won't be available now and I have to open the account immediately. Rao, that is a problem. Can't you come tomorrow? Customer, I would prefer to do it today if you can help me. Rao, just give me a minute. Can you at least get his account number for me? Customer, I can call up his office and ask again. Rao, yes, that's a good idea. You can use the phone in the officer's cabin. Customer, excuse me, I would like to use your phone, please. Officer, certainly, madam. Customer, thank you. Hello, could I speak to Mr. Gupta, please? Oh, Mr. Gupta, I need your help. If you can tell me your account number, that will be of great help to me to open an account. It is very urgent. Let me write it down. Rao. So, madam, did you get the account number? Customer. Yes, here it is. Rao. You may now enter all the relevant details in the form and then write the account number of Mr. Gupta in the space provided for the introduction. Finally, affix your photographs here. Customer, will you check if everything is alright? Rao, you forgot to sign on the last page, madam. Customer, I am sorry. Let me do it. Here you are. Rao, thank you. I shall now take this form to the manager and get you your new account number. Could you please wait for some time? Customer, I would also like to have a locker in your bank. Is if that is possible, maybe I can do that work while you go to manager. Rao, yes, that's a good idea. Please meet one of our officers, Mrs. Sundari. But I must warn you that it is very difficult to get a locker immediately. Customer, I don't mind waiting. I don't mind waiting. Sundari, would you like to get some information regarding the availability of lockers in our bank, madam? Customer, yes, please. I have just moved here and need a locker. Could I get one in our bank? Sundari, do you have an account in our branch, madam? Customer, I have just opened one new. Sundari, I am sorry, we don't have any vacant locker at the moment, but we have ordered for a new set of lockers since the demand for them is increasing. Customer, will I get one then? Sundari, yes, you can if you pay the required deposit. Customer, that's no problem. Could you let me know as soon as you have some information? Sundari, certainly, madam. Rao, madam, here is your account number. You can now deposit the minimum balance and it entered into your passbook. Customer, thank you very much. You are really helpful. Rao, our pleasure, madam. So this was the scene of a bank. That's all for today, guys. We will meet soon in next podcast. Thank you. Bye bye.